In recent years, community usage of Stonington Free Library's services have grown well beyond their intended capacity. With over 70,000 annual visits and more than 50,000 items checked out, the capabilities of our charming but outdated facility became increasingly stretched. To address these challenges, the library director and board of trustees developed a comprehensive strategic plan to guide the necessary work of expanding the library's potential. Based on the results of a community-wide survey, the plan incorporated 3 linked initiatives: increase floor space and improve accessibility, refurbish and upgrade the interior, and build financial sustainability.
Join us as we showcase our new and updated spaces. Our new ADA-compliant ramp with handrails and guardrails makes our library more accessible to the entire community. This ramp leads to our new side entry lobby. Inside our spacious lobby is an energy-efficient climate control system, an ADA-compliant bathroom with motion-sensing lighting and radiant heat, a new state-of-the-art elevator, and access to the rest of the library. Just inside the library, notice our freshly painted walls, bookcases, and ceiling. Also, our new ADA-compliant mobile circulation desk to support library patrons. It can be moved to any location to serve as an information and service desk. In this middle room, known as the 1950s Pafford Edition, notice the demolition of the old bathroom, closet, and staircase. This has created more space with more shelving for the library's collections. We have new carpet, chairs, and flexible multi-use tables. Through a grant from the Connecticut State Library, we installed a high-speed fiber internet connection. Heading back to the 1990s Wimpheimer edition, take note of the many additional electrical outlets in the walls and now in the floors too, along with the new carpet. The most eye-catching noticeable change are the 15 movable shelving units. These units allow for more display space on the top and the front of the units and can be moved to the side rooms to provide more central program space. On the right side of the space, our newspaper room, notice the new round table and 4 club chairs. What a great place to kick back and enjoy the paper. On the left side of the 1990s edition, you will notice new chairs and more flexible tables. This also houses the main staircase down to the children's level. Great changes here, including removal of the old wheelchair lift and other reconfiguration for a more open, spacious stairwell and landings. The fresh paint and new flooring paved the way to the downstairs. But we are going to hop over and take a ride in our new state-of-the-art elevator with a fire alarm and emergency notification system to the Stonington Fire Department.
Hi, I'm Maris Fry, and I'm here to give you a little bit of a video tour of our new space on the lower level of the Stonington Free Library. As you come off the elevator, you're in our lovely new spacious lobby. It has a climate-controlled, energy-efficient heating system and cooling system, and we have a second ADA-compliant bathroom. We're going to take a right, and we are going to walk into our children's room, or our chapter book room. This is a very, very popular space. And right away, you're going to notice the fresh paint that we have all over, making everything brighter and cleaner looking. We have new shelving, which is much lower. That's made a huge difference in bringing natural light into the room, and it's a lot more child-friendly. It also has afforded us a lot more display space on the top of all of the units. And we have slat wall on the end of the units that also gives us display space for new and popular titles. We have some fabulous new, very comfortable furniture for families to enjoy. Room for everyone as soon as we are through the pandemic. We have over here our new Children's Computer and Collaboration Center. The Rotaries were very instrumental in this space. As you can see, we have brand new tables. There's lots of room for all of our computers, chairs, and we will have a wireless central printer that everybody can use when they're down here. So here we are in our picture book area. We have picture books here and also our early readers. Again, you're going to notice the brand new bright paint, which really lifts up the space in here. And then, if you come with me, we're going to show off the new furniture in the staff office down here. So, much more organized, easier to take care of. Lovely brand new space. Can't wait for you to come by and visit us.
Let's pop on over to the last update downstairs. This was the demolition of the old bathrooms to create space for a new kitchenette for staff and library functions. Now let's head up the spiral staircase to our original building, our main lobby. In our lobby, you will find newly restored marble staircase treads, historic terrazzo tile floors, and marble column bases and entry saddles. You can take a seat in the new club chairs with electrical and USB outlets. Also notice a freshly painted staff area behind the main circulation desk with new office furniture. And last but not least, the beautiful new chairs and small tables up on the mezzanine.
Thank you to all of our volunteers and supporters who made this possible. You made a difference, and we couldn't have done it without your time and financial support.